Meaning of goatskin.
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 Goatskin. Goatskin refers to the skin of a goat that has been tanned and treated for use in various applications. It is a durable and flexible material that is commonly used in making leather products like shoes, bags, gloves, and jackets. It can also be used to cover drums, books, and other objects. Goatskin has a unique texture and appearance that sets it apart from other types of leather. It is often valued for its softness and lightweight, making it a popular choice for clothing and accessories. Overall, goatskin is a versatile material with many practical and aesthetic uses.